Is your A-level revision a total mess? Well, let's talk about a system built to fix that. Does your revision feel all over the place? Trust me, you are not alone in this.
You're trying to juggle notes, videos, way too many apps. It's just exhausting, right?
See, the problem isn't the tools. It's that you don't have a real system for success.
So you've got to move from just hoping it works to a structured plan that actually does. And that's the whole idea behind seed systems. So many students fall right into this trap.
Seed Systems actually builds that system for you, taking out all of the guesswork.
Think of it as a complete operating system for your revision, getting you to the grade you need.
But look, this isn't just some empty promise. We're talking about real, actual proof.
The methodology is 100% evidence-based. It's built on science that works.
And get this, it's been tested to be 97% accurate. That's huge.
And every single system is ethics cleared before it ever reaches you. That's non-negotiable. That means AI checks, a clear promise, and a real human reviewing everything.
Okay, so getting started is super simple. And yeah, it's completely free.
The whole point is to make it impossible to fail at that first step. There's zero risk. So here's your path. Grab the free stuff, let the system work, and close that grade gap. This isn't some future thing. The A-level grade gap system is live right now. So, are you ready to stop just hoping for a good grade and actually start getting one?